Guys, I am by no means a genius, but trust me when I say I can write a killer research paper. But I'm sure that some of my grad friends are actually geniuses because they can read a paper once and then just immediately direct it to the broader research field. But I have to read it about 100 different times just to try and understand it, let alone directing it to my broader research field. I had a meeting with my academic advisor the other day and he told me how that, best tip that he gave me is that we need to be interacting with these papers in as many ways as possible. We have to actively be looking at what these papers are actually saying and finding out the deeper meaning of them so we can then relate them to the broader research field. He told me that I've been currently just passively reading over these papers and assuming that I'm going to be able to understand them, which just isn't the case. I'm going to show you guys the best way that you can connect and interact with your papers in like a bunch of different ways.
I've started using this website called Anara, and you can load all of your papers in just like this. You can see that all the files have been imported and they've just been added to this library here. So I'm just going to select them all and add them all into their own individual folder based on the category. And within the folders, you can view all of your papers side by side through these tabs here. Over here in this corner, there's this tab that holds a chat box where you can ask it anything based on the papers. And no matter what the question was that you asked, it will give you this super detailed and quick answer. And if you're wondering what these numbers were in the answer, you can click any of these citations and it will take you to the point in the paper where it's got the information from.